Hello, dear students. Now today we are going to study about coordinate geometry, and it starts from exercise 7.1. Chapter is 7. So first we see about the coordinate geometry. What is this coordinate geometry? And you have studied in class 9. So let's recall that coordinate geometry class 9 में है ये, and it is the branch of mathematics where we locate some points in a plane. So first see what is the plane. So some previous concepts are here. Position of a point P in the Cartesian plane. ये XY plane, it is known as XY plane, इसको Cartesian plane बोलते हैं. So position of a point P in the Cartesian plane with respect to coordinate axis is represented by ordered pair XY. XY से इसको हमेशा शो करेंगे X and Y. On the X axis X comes, on the Y axis Y comes. So ordered pair is or this XY. Next point, the line X dash, this horizontal line XOX dash, it is horizontally made here. It is known as, it is X axis. The line X dash OX is X axis, and this vertical line Y dash OY is called the Y axis. So this is the second point. Now number third, the point of intersection of the X axis and the Y axis is called the origin. What is origin? Intersecting point. This XOX dash and it is Y dash mutually perpendicular this. So this intersecting point is known as origin. इसको बोलते हैं origin. Symbol is O. And coordinate of origin is 0, 0, because on the X axis it is 0 and Y axis also 0. So you should remember this thing. Coordinate of origin is 0, 0. It is X, it is Y. Now next, two points you should know. What is abscissa and what is ordinate? Abscissa क्या होता है? X coordinate को abscissa बोलते हैं, Y coordinates को ordinate. How to get that? The perpendicular distance of a point P from the Y axis. मैंने Y axis से जो ये perpendicular distance डालेंगे यहाँ, तो जो ये distance होगा, it is apparent X. ये होगा X. तो perpendicular distance जो होगा Y axis से उसको बोलेंगे that is known as abscissa. Otherwise we say X coordinate and it's called abscissa. Two names. Now next. What is ordinate? The perpendicular distance of a point P from X axis. इस point P से X axis से जो distance देख रहे हैं इसका नाम होगा Y axis. So Y axis and also known as ordinate. This X is known as abscissa, ABSCISSA abscissa, and it is ordinate, ORDINAT. This was these were the basic things about the coordinate geometry. Now next point is any point on the X axis. X axis पर कोई भी point लेंगे तो X 0 होगा. X axis में X तो होगा ही, but Y axis known as 0. This coordinate X 0 on the X axis, and on the Y axis this point is 0 y, because Y axis में ये X में तो ये क्या हो गया 0 और Y में क्या है ये Y axis में Y. This distance its name is 0y, and we can say it is the any point on the Y axis. So you should remember this thing. Any point on the X axis X0, any point on the Y axis is 0y. So this was basic thing. Now next, sine. How to take sine, abscissa and ordinate. So one also I have made this. It will be more clear if you plot in the graph. So it will be more clear. It is the origin से राइट साइड जाएंगे, पॉजिटिव +1 +2 +3 +4. ये ऊपर भी जाएंगे नंबर लाइन में. यू शुड नो दिस थिंग. ये ऊपर भी जाएगा वाई एक्सिस में पॉजिटिव 1 2 3 4. जब लेफ्ट जाएंगे ओरिजिन से तो ये निगेटिव होगा ऑन द एक्स एक्सिस, एंड निगेटिव इफ यू गो डाउनवर्ड्स फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन इट इज नेगेटिव ऑन द वाई एक्सिस. सो वन मोर थिंग, इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज क्वाड्रेंट, QUADRANT. In this plane, Cartesian plane, we have 4 quadrants. इसको बोलते हैं फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, इट इज सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट, इट इज थर्ड it is fourth. Anti-clockwise direction from this axis, like that. So it is quadrant. 1/4 part of this, one part is known as 1/4. So what is the sign up in this first quadrant? Suppose we have to plot 2 3 2 3. So here is 2. Suppose 2 3, you have to plot the 2 is on the x-axis, y is 3. On the x-axis it is 2 and y-axis it is 3. So it is perpendicular distance. This point is known as 2 3. So this 2 3, this point is 2 3. So what is the sign? So it is positive, x-axis also positive on the y-axis. So this sign plus and plus on the first quadrant. If you go to second quadrant, अगर second quadrant में जाएंगे तो first we see x-axis, always we write this ordered pair is known as xy. So here x-axis is negative but y-axis is positive. In the second quadrant our sign will be this axis, this ordinate, it is x, it is y. Now third, if you go to this x-axis negative and also y-axis also negative, it is in the third quadrant getting both are negative. In the fourth quadrant x-axis is positive, y-axis is negative. So these are the signs of abscissa and ordinate. So these things were the basic concept about the quadrant geometry. So now we will see next. And you should note down this basic concepts, then we will go ahead. So students, now you see a distance formula. Actually we have a syllabus for this year, distance formula, and second was section formula, and third was area of triangle. But due to lockdown period it has been deleted from the syllabus for only this year. ये जो है एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल इस साल इसको हम लोगों को नहीं पढ़ना है. सो वी हैव टू स्टडी ओनली डिस्टेंस फार्मूला एंड सेक्शन फार्मूला. सो व्हाट इज डिस्टेंस फार्मूला, हाउ इट इज नीडेड, इस फार्मूला की जरूरत क्या पड़ा. सपोज वी हैव 2 पॉइंट्स, इट इज ए एंड इट इज बी. Sorry, one point is A, other point is B. What is distance between these 2 points? And coordinate of A is x1 y1 and coordinate of B is x2 y2. So what is the distance if we join this line? Distance AB, ये distance AB क्या होगा? Distance फार्मूला से what is distance AB? So ये फार्मूला हम लोग अपने से बना भी सकते हैं. नाउ चेक हियर, इट इज एक्स एक्सिस. सपोज आई एम राइटिंग हियर ए इज x1 एंड y1. ए का कोऑर्डिनेट x1 y1 है, ऑलवेज फर्स्ट x सेकेंड इज y. अगर इसमें परपेंडिकुलर ड्रा कर देते हैं यहाँ और इसको यहाँ से परपेंडिकुलर ड्रा करते हैं, सो सी केयरफुली हियर. So it is the origin हमेशा क्या होता है 0 0. The distance from this point to this, a total distance is, what is this? On the x axis it is the x2, it is the x2, and this distance is x1. So what is remaining distance? This, it becomes total is x2 and this minus x1, ये घटा देने से हो जाएगा x2 minus x1. And like the same here, if we draw perpendicular from here, so it is, this distance is y1 and this total distance up to here, this distance, it is y2. So what is this remaining distance? sorry, draw perpendicular from this. So it is y1 and total is y2. So this remaining distance becomes this. This is y2 minus y1. And if we join here, it is A, it is B and it is C. So it becomes one right triangle. इस right triangle में देखेंगे, it is base, it is perpendicular and it is the hypotenuse. इसके डेरिवेशन की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी इसको देख लेते हैं कैसे आएगा डिस्टेंस फार्मूला. सो बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम यू नो h स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू p स्क्वायर प्लस b का स्क्वायर. So this distance x2 minus x1, it is rectangular shape, so it is also x2 minus x1, and it is y2 minus y1, it is also rectangle, so this BC is y2 minus y1. So by Pythagoras theorem you know this thing, hypotenuse square hypotenuse is AB square, perpendicular is y2, otherwise first we can write base square plus same thing this. Base is x2 minus x1 whole square plus perpendicular is this. It is becomes in right triangle ABC. Always the right triangle we use this theorem, Pythagoras theorem. So base square perpendicular is y2 minus y1 whole square. So it is AB is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. तो it is the distance formula. तो पहले जब पाइथागोरस थ्योरम बिफोर दिस कोऑर्डिनेट्स आर नॉट गिवन, हाउ टू फाइंड, सपोज ए से बी तक पहुंचना है तो ए से डायरेक्टली बी तक पहुंच सकते हैं, या तो ए से सी तक जाएंगे फिर सी से बी तक जाएंगे. सो ए से सी तक गया, सी से बी गया, इट इज द लार्जर डिस्टेंस in comparison to directly AB. So shortest distance is AB. So if you are this from A to B, so distance formula, by distance formula we can write x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Otherwise this distance if we know and this distance, so we can use Pythagoras theorem. So directly distance formula we will use this x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. It is the distance formula, and we will do all questions from this exercise. We will do by this distance formula. So students, now see question number 1 is find the distance between the following pairs of points 2 3 and 4 1. These 2 points, इसके बीच का डिस्टेंस निकालना है. तो लेट फर्स्ट वी कैन सपोज दिस ए, दिस पॉइंट इज बी. सो डू सॉल्यूशन. गिवन पॉइंट्स बी, फर्स्ट इज ए 2 3 and second is B 4 1. So always order pair is xy, so it is x1 y1 and it is x2 y2. So also we can write then x1 is 2, y1 is 3, x2 is 4, y2 equal to 1. This if you write separately it will be easy to you. And x2 is 4, y2 is, जब प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगा तो लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. x1 y1 x2 y2. So distance AB by the distance formula, just we studied about the distance formula, root over x2 minus x1 square whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Let's put the all values. What is x2? x2 is 4 minus x1 is 2 whole square plus y2 is 1 minus y1 is x1 1 x2 y2 x2, it is y2 y1 is 3. वेरी सिंपल, केवल इसमें वैल्यू को पुट कर देंगे. 4 माइनस 2 2 स्क्वायर प्लस 1 माइनस 3 नेगेटिव वैल्यू माइनस 2 स्क्वायर 4 and square of minus always get positive, it is also 4, so getting it is root 8. And try to factorize this. 2 4 8 2 2 4 2 1 2, that means 2 coming 3 times. This 2 has pair, it is 2, no pair is staying inside the root. So 2 root 2 units. Units means there is no unit given meter centimeter, so we put here units. So it is the answer. So distance formula, by distance formula we can use this x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 square, and 2 points already will be mentioned in the question. First is x1 y1, second is x2 y2, then you can put. Now number second part is चलो देखते हैं second part from question number 1. So solution is given points be a, first is a minus 5 7 and second point a b or pq, and letters you can use, and it is minus 1 and 3. So it is x1, always x1 y1 first, and this x2 y2. इसमें किसी को x1 y1 x2 y2 ले सकते हैं. फर्स्ट इज ऑर्डर पेयर xy, so you can take x1 y1. So we write here distance AB, formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. एक चीज़ और बताना मैं मिस कर गया है. x2 minus x1 is written also x1 minus x2 whole square, and it y1 minus y2 whole square also will get the same answer. x2 क्या है यहाँ पर, x2 is minus 1. अब x1 y1 there is no need to write that, directly we can put x2 is this minus 1 minus x1, this x1 minus 5, and minus 5 is coming, so make also bracket whole square. Check here, x2 का वैल्यू है minus 1, this minus sign here, and x1 already minus 5, so write like this, plus y2 is this 3, y1 is this 7 whole square. Now it is minus 1, and this minus into minus becomes plus. See here, minus multiplied by minus, getting plus 5 whole square, plus 3 minus 7 minus 4 square. Now minus 1 plus 5 4 square, and minus 4 square minus square plus 4 square 16. In the next step, 4 square 16 plus 16, after adding we get 32 मिल गया. ये इसको फैक्टराइज करेंगे. 2 1 2 2 6 12, 2 8 16, 2 4 8, 2 2 4, 2 1 2. How many 2 are getting here? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 times मिल रहा है 2. Make pairs here, it is 2, we write 2, these 2 makes single 2, and no pair, this it is inside the root, so it becomes 2 to the 4 root 2 units. So it is answer of part second. इस तरह से सब क्वेश्चंस को डिस्टेंस फार्मूला यूज करके सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Now third part of this question number 1. Given points are a small b, and this is b minus a minus b. So it is x1 y1, it is x2 y2. So distance AB root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Put all the values. x2 is this minus a, x1 is this a whole square, y2 is this minus b, here minus y1 का वैल्यू है माइनस बी ऑल्सो होल स्क्वायर. ऐड करेंगे माइनस से बिकमिंग माइनस 2a का स्क्वायर होगा प्लस माइनस बी एंड माइनस बी माइनस 2b होल स्क्वायर, माइनस का स्क्वायर प्लस 2a इंटू 2a 4a स्क्वायर माइनस स्क्वायर प्लस 2b इंटू 2b 4b स्क्वायर. So check here 4 may be taken as common in the root. 4 कॉमन ले लिया, ये 4 को कॉमन ले लिया तो क्या मिलेगा a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 4 का स्क्वायर रूट होता है 2 बट a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर रिमेन सेम इन द स्क्वायर रूट. वी कैन नॉट फाइंड दिस. So it is our answer. It is, we write units because there is no meter centimeter, so we write here units. It is answer. So it has